Elon Musk is at the forefront of making interplanetary life a reality. He envisions a future where humanity becomes a multiplanetary species. He's very outspoken about this big picture goal. However, there's very little detail on how his companies, other than SpaceX, might be collectively laying the groundwork for this incredible journey. So here's a quick rundown of how I think it will all ultimately come together before we delve into each of these in more detail. SpaceX will provide the interplanetary transportation. Tesla offers sustainable energy solutions, ground vehicles, autopilot, automated refining and manufacturing, and perhaps most importantly, an autonomous humanoid robotic workforce. The Boring Company is set to create an infrastructure necessary to mine, travel, and live on the surface of Mars. And xAI, Starlink, and Neuralink will meld man, machine, and Mars into a new form of planetary meta superintelligence. Don't worry, we'll nerd out more on this later in the video. Together, all of these companies form a cohesive, synergistic strategy for colonizing other planets.